President Trump's announcement that his administration will impose additional tariffs on Canada sent stocks tumbling again this morning. Analysts now say Americans could see price increases by Memorial Day. Let's see how the markets are responding to the news. The Dow down significantly yet again here at lunchtime, down 446 points about. That's a 1.06%. ABC's Rena Roy has more on Americans' economic fears and what comes next in terms of tariffs.
The stock market in free fall again today, opening more than 50 points down and sliding even further after the president announced increased tariffs on Canada. The market's plunging Monday, the Dow dipping 900 points, the Nasdaq 728, suffering its worst day since 2022.
If the U.S. imposes tariffs to the degree that the president has been talking about and maintains them for more than a few months, I think a recession will be unavoidable.
The market volatility comes after President Trump refused to rule out if the U.S. is heading for a recession in an interview with Fox News over the weekend.
I hate to predict things like that. There is a period of transition because what we're doing is very big. We're bringing wealth back to America.
Trump referring to the trade war he started with America's closest trading partners. He's imposed 2 rounds of 10% tariffs on China. Trump has put a pause on many of his 25% tariffs on goods from Mexico and Canada. But today saying on social media that he'll double his planned tariffs on steel and aluminum from 25 to 50% for Canada. The increase is in response to the retaliatory tariffs from Ontario on electricity to Minnesota, Michigan, and New York, those set to take effect tomorrow. He's also imposed 2 rounds of 10% tariffs on China. Trump, who closely follows the markets, remaining out of sight Monday. This morning, Agriculture Secretary Brooke Rollins reiterating the White House's message that in the long run, the economy will improve.
It's going to be a little bit bumpy for, maybe a few weeks or a few months. But at the end, his vision, and again, what we're effectuating is that our American farmers and ranchers, but truly all Americans, will be moving into an era of greater prosperity.
And experts say we could see higher prices by Memorial Day on things like washing machines, canned goods, and cars. In New York, Rena Roy for Channel 6 Action News.